The Tale of Ekalavya and Dronacharya. Once upon a time, in the dense forests of ancient India, there lived a young tribal prince named Ekalavya. Though born into a humble hunter's family, Ekalavya harbored a grand dream to become the finest archer in the world. His heart admired the great teacher Dronacharya, renowned far and wide as the master of archery who trained the royal princes of Hastinapura. With hope in his eyes and determination in his heart, Ekalavya journeyed to meet the revered Guru. Bowing low before Dronacharya, he said, "O great teacher, I seek your guidance to master the art of archery. Please accept me as your student." Dronacharya, however, was bound by his duty to the Kuru princes and the rigid social norms of the time. He looked at the eager boy and said, "You come from a tribe of hunters, young one. I cannot teach you, for my commitment lies with the royal family." Though Dronacharya's refusal pained him, Ekalavya's spirit was unshaken. He returned to his forest and resolved to teach himself. As a mark of his devotion, he sculpted a statue of Dronacharya from clay and placed it under a large tree. Every day, Ekalavya practiced before the statue, perfecting his aim, refining his techniques, and honing his skills. His dedication bore fruit, and in time, Ekalavya's skill in archery surpassed that of any student Dronacharya had ever trained. One day, as fate would have it, Dronacharya and his royal students ventured into the forest for a hunt. There, they encountered Ekalavya, who demonstrated extraordinary archery skills by effortlessly shooting arrows to stop a barking dog without harming it. Dronacharya was astonished. "Who is your teacher, young man?" he asked. Ekalavya bowed and replied, "You are, O revered Guru. Though you did not accept me as your student, I learned under your image, treating it as my teacher." Dronacharya was filled with mixed emotions. While he admired Ekalavya's dedication and skill, he remembered his promise to Arjuna, his favorite disciple, that no one would surpass him in archery. To honor this vow, Dronacharya decided to act. He said to Ekalavya, "If I am your guru, then you must give me a guru dakshina, a teacher's fee." Ekalavya, ever respectful, replied, "Command me, O teacher, I shall give you whatever you ask." Dronacharya, with a heavy heart, said, "I ask for the thumb of your right hand." The request stunned everyone present. For an archer, the thumb is indispensable. Without hesitation, Ekalavya drew his knife, severed his right thumb, and placed it at Dronacharya's feet as an offering. Though this act ended his dreams of becoming the greatest archer, Ekalavya's respect for his teacher and his sense of duty remained unwavering. Moral of the story: this tale teaches us the power of dedication and self belief. Ekalavya's determination shows that hard work and perseverance can overcome even the greatest obstacles. However, it also raises questions about fairness, authority, and the price of blind obedience. It reminds us to balance respect for others with the courage to challenge injustice and pursue equality.